Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to import contacts in iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on contact. On iOS 10, click on apps. And then scroll down, click on contact. Once you selected contact, locate and click on contact accounts. Then click on add account. Then under add account, locate and click on Google. Now you want to sign in into your Gmail account on your iPhone by entering your Gmail and then the password. So type in the Gmail where your contacts are saved. Then once you type in the Gmail, now go ahead and type in your password. Once you type in your password, then go ahead and click on next. And then you should say confirm your two-factor authentication. So go ahead and confirm your two-factor authentication on your phone by clicking on yes, it is me, and then hang on. Once you confirm your 2FA, then hang on for your iPhone to add the Google account to your iPhone. Then go ahead and click on continue. Once you hit continue, then it should say iOS want to access your Google account. Scroll up, then click on continue again. Once you click on continue, then it should say the Gmail account added to your iPhone. Now go ahead, turn on mails, contacts, and calendars, and then hit the save button at the top right. Then it should say account added. Now if you come here, you should see your account added. Then click on the account name. Now where you see label, click on it, delete Gmail, and then type in the Gmail address so that I can easily recognize the Gmail address where you imported the contact from. So just go ahead, type that. And then after that, click on done at the top right. Then after that, okay, if this is incorrect at Gmail, then click on done. Then go back to your contact on your iPhone. You might want to give this a couple of minutes. And then you should see your email updating the contact. You see that? So this is actually updating my contact in real life. And then if you check that, then you should see all your contacts imported to your iPhone just like this. So that's exactly how to import contacts in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.